Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a chocolate cheesecake. So let's get started. I have 1 cup of almond flour. I have 2 teaspoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this together. I'm going to make the crust first. We're going to add 1 stick of butter, which is a 1/2 cup of butter, to this mix. We'll place this butter in the microwave for like 40 seconds. Pour the butter over the almond flour and mix it together. Ooh, it smells so good. That butter smells so good. I'm going to go ahead and place it in a 350 degrees oven for 10 minutes. I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar to the mixing bowl. That's the Richter sugar. I have 1 teaspoon of instant coffee I'm adding to this. I just added to a tablespoon of vanilla to the coffee. I'm gonna mix that up really well. I'm gonna add another 1/2 cup of sugar to the bowl, because this is a chocolate cake, so it's a chocolate cheesecake, so it needs a little bit more in this bowl here. I'm going to add the coffee to the bowl here. That's coffee and vanilla flavor. So I'm going to add another 1/2 cup of sugar. 2 eggs. This up, the sugar, the instant coffee, a little salt. I just took the crust out of the oven, so I'm going to go ahead and place it in the refrigerator. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, which is 100% cacao. That's really beautiful, huh? It's a beautiful measuring spoon. I'm going to add the cream cheese. So that's another tablespoon. So that's 4 tablespoons altogether. I just wanted to be a little bit more darker chocolate than a lighter chocolate. So that's 5. See how that looks before I add any more. I added 10 tablespoons of cocoa. So we'll see how this goes. See if it's dark enough. Definitely like dark chocolate. So let's see. Tablespoons. I added 14 tablespoons, and I'm gonna figure out the measurements by cup, okay? And I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, sea salt. The keto chocolate cheese filling is ready. I'm just waiting on the pie shell to cool off. I have it in the refrigerator. We have a beautiful day today. I want to just take you outside and let you see what the outside looked like today. It's a gorgeous day out today. And you can see my garden there where I got lots of onions growing in my garden. It's a beautiful day today. So, and I also have some mint growing in the garden. Some mint and some onions and garlic. Onions and garlic growing in my garden. It's a beautiful day. Okay, the pie crust is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the chocolate filling in the pie pan. That looks so good. I love chocolate. This is gonna be a nice chocolate cheesecake. This is a simple recipe, so I hope you try it, and I hope you add some comments based on making this keto cheesecake yourself. It's sugar-free and it's really good. The pie could look really full, but it will work in this pie dish. This is a 9-inch pie dish. I always use it to bake my pies. I love baking my pies from scratch. I make my crust, everything is so easy to do. Let's see if I can get a little more off of this. $30 to 35 minutes. I just took the chocolate keto cheesecake out of the refrigerator, so now I'm gonna add a little decoration to it. So let's do that. This is how the chocolate one looks. It did split a little bit right on this side here, but that's okay. All right, but it looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little swerve to the top. I just got a sieve here, and hopefully I won't add too much. Here we go. It looks like it's working out a little bit better. Ooh, I shouldn't have said that. That looks good. Okay, got some more strawberries. I'm just gonna lay those over that little hole there. Cover that up real nice. And place some on that side. Gonna bring those to the middle. And that looks delicious. If you like this video, like and share, comment, and subscribe to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.